Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. When you're ready, click on System at the bottom. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and use this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!